Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block or report users in Google Chat on your mobile device. So here, I've already opened the Google Chat on my phone, on my Gmail apps. So let's say I want to block this account or these users right here. So just click on the chat and then click on the three dots icon at the top. Click on the name, and here at the bottom you'll see the block and report option. So just click on that. So when you click on this, when you block on and report the user, they won't be able to message you directly, and also their message in the space will be hidden for you, but they can still read any message that you send to the space. So you can choose to block only or also report by clicking on this. That means you block and report that person. Then just click on block if you are sure about this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.